Hi guys, welcome to Cathlaine's YouTube channel. Today, for a brief moment, I'm going to try some food she made. Her version of like a chicken pot pie, chicken dumpling type of mix, hybrid food she made. So here it is. I'm going to take a couple bites and tell you how it is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cooking session. I will be making chicken and biscuit casserole. The ingredients, here's the ingredients: chicken, flour, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, thyme, paprika. Vegetables, I use celery, carrots, and green peas, and also a biscuits and a chicken broth. In one biscuit there are 8, and I'm going to use the 4, and the other 4 I'm going to cook that later. Now let's start with the onions. Igisa lang natin yung onions, sibuyas. Igisa lang ang sibuyas. I'm using the dried onion. Dried ba yun? I think. ½ cup of butter. I-melt lang ang butter. Then igisa natin ang carrots, celery, and green peas. Let's mix the vegetables. And then add the onions. And mix it together. Now I add the flour and mixed it. And the rest of the seasonings. And ihalo lang po natin, guys. Add the milk. One cup and 1/2 cup of milk, 1.5 cup of milk, and you have to stir. Add some chicken broth.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too?
And the rest of the chicken broth.
Hurting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm
As you can see, it's boiling right now.
falling. Life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
So I add the rotisserie chicken o parang Litson Manok na yan sa atin sa Pinas. I used 2 breast, 1 thigh, and 1 leg. I chopped it into tiny pieces. Mixed it very well. So it is creamy right now. And here's the biscuit. I sliced the 4 biscuits into pieces. I used the bowl. Nilagyan ko lang ng oil. And then pour the mixture in the bowl. This is my first time to cook this recipe, so let's see if it is delicious. So now I spread the biscuits. I press it down. It's supposed to be like I need to put the biscuits on halfway of the mixture, but I forgot, so now I'm going to press it down. And now this one is ready for baking. Ilalagay lang po natin to sa oven, like 400 degree Fahrenheit, and I will cook this 30 to 45 minutes. And now it's boiling. And this is the finished product. Luto na po yung pagkain. It looks yummy. Ayun na. Masarap ba?
Oh, sarap. Sarap, very delicious, it's very good. It's a good job. So I'm going to leave from here and go finish the rest of this. But if you want to keep watching more videos, just subscribe to Cathlaine's channel. We'll see you later.
That was fun, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for all your support, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye. Hindi ka nag-chop-chop yung likod ko.
I work for free. No salary.
Thanks.